If you're thinking about getting a German Shepherd, you probably heard that they bark a lot, and honestly, it's true, but there's a reason behind it. And if you handle it the right way, you won't have to worry about excessive barking driving you crazy. You see, German Shepherds were bred to be working dogs. Their job was to protect, alert, and guide livestock, which meant they had to use their voice to warn their owners about danger. Even today, that instinct hasn't gone away. Your German Shepherd isn't just barking for no reason. There's always a trigger behind it. Some common reasons include excitement, boredom, fear, or even just wanting your attention. They are naturally protective, which means they'll bark at strangers, unusual sounds, or anything that seems out of place. If you've ever had a German Shepherd, you know they don't stay quiet when the doorbell rings or when a car pulls up outside. But can you train a German Shepherd to bark less? Yes, but it's not something that happens overnight. German Shepherds are naturally vocal, and since they were bred for guarding and protection, barking is part of who they are. But that doesn't mean you have to live with nonstop barking. With the right training and consistency, you can teach them when it's okay to bark and when it's time to be quiet. The first step is understanding why they're barking in the first place. Are they bored? Are they trying to protect you? Are they asking for attention? Once you figure out the reason, you can train them based on what's triggering the barking. One of the best ways to control barking is by teaching them the speak and quiet commands. It sounds funny to teach a dog to bark on command, but it actually helps them understand when it's time to stop. Start by encouraging them to bark using a trigger, like a doorbell or a favorite toy. Once they bark, say speak, and reward them with a treat. Then introduce the quiet command by waiting for them to stop barking, saying quiet, and rewarding them again. With enough practice, they'll learn when to bark and when to stop. Another thing that helps is removing whatever is making them bark. If they're always barking at people outside, close the curtains. If they bark out of boredom, make sure they get enough exercise and mental stimulation. A tired German Shepherd is usually much quieter than one with too much energy. Playing games, training sessions, and daily walks will keep their mind and body active so they don't feel the need to bark all the time. Some German Shepherds bark because they feel anxious or unsure about something in their environment. If that's the case, socializing them with new people, places, and experiences will help them feel more comfortable. The more confident they are, the less they'll feel the need to bark at every little thing. Consistency is key. If you want them to bark less, everyone in your family needs to follow the same training methods. If one person lets them bark while another tries to stop it, they'll get confused and won't learn what's expected. Be patient and stick with the training, and over time, you'll see results. Also, not all German Shepherds bark a lot. Some are naturally quieter than others, but most will bark more than your average dog. Their barking depends on their personality, environment, and training. If they live in a busy area where they see and hear a lot of movement, they'll likely bark more. If they've been trained well from a young age, they'll know when to stay quiet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and do subscribe to our channel. See ya!